gonna be the first time I'm taking you along with me for a walk. And I'm here with Kashmira, my roommate. Social distancing together. Shishi's here as well. So yeah, we're actually going to walk down to Yonge and St. Clair. We're meeting up with Bella, and then we're gonna go to a walking trail together. So stay tuned. So actually we're grabbing a snack before we go for a walk. Bella! So now we're gonna be choosing ice cream. I'm lactose intolerant, but YOLO. Alright, so still on our way to the park. There aren't many people here, so we're not really wearing the mask. Oh, let's see what's happening here. Oh, I can't turn it. Oh, no. With my camera, I have to commit to having the camera one way. So right now we're in the Moore Park Ravine, that park. And I think this is the Bent Line Trail? Yes, Bent Line Trail. I'm just gonna put the name on the screen because why not? And there's Shishi, little Miss Limsalot. They're the girls. Oh, must be nice.
Must be nice.
That'll be us soon. After many years of hard work. Oh, look, there's another puppy. Are you gonna go say hi, She never says hi. She's a bit antisocial.
Yeah.
Oh my god, such a nice trail. So right now, actually, this trail is going along the, it should be the DVP. And so it like wraps around into the Gardner. Don't quote me, I'm just gonna put that on the screen later, but it should be the DVP. And so if you continue down this trail, it actually leads to Evergreen Brickworks, which is a really great organization, really sustainable. And as soon as we get down to the turtles, I will show you where they are. Oh, look at this trail. I don't know much about turtle mating.
That's unfortunate.
If you guys know, please comment on this page. Is it turtle mating season? Could be. Maybe it's turtle mating season somewhere. So yeah, this is the way to Evergreen Brickworks Park. And there's my dog. She's just, living her best life. She has left me. And so, I'll show you guys the river. Oh, it's so nice. I love this so much. Kashmira, stop chasing the dog. So there's like a little sign about the changing planet, and what you can do about it. And so I've taken a picture and I'm just gonna insert that on the top. Yeah? If I stepped where? This is not on me, but I came back to the log and there are no turtles right now. So yeah, you guys chased away the turtles. I didn't want to say it, I didn't want to point fingers, but that's kind of what happened. All right, now let's continue down the trail. Okay, so we're almost at Evergreen Brickwork, and I promise you, that's the DVP over there.
Yeah.
So yeah, don't worry, we'll blur the finger, and we won't tell her parents. And if you know her parents, just comment them below. Aha! Look who found the turtles. There's a little turtle, and ooh, I'm just gonna quickly catch this one. Look at this big guy. Oh my god, so nice. finally made it to Evergreen Brickwork. And this is what it looks like. And so, guys, what do you think of the walk so far?
So pleasant.
Would you recommend this park?
Yeah, but not the first part. It's too brown.
And what about you, Kashmira?
It's great. Long walk. It's good.
Whole property, amazing, amazing, amazing. A little shed over there. And so usually when this place is open, when Evergreen Brickworks is open, they have classes for women, for children, and just like sustainability in general. And there it is. Oh, so nice. Yeah, this is definitely a must visit if you come to Toronto. It's not all city, it's not all tall buildings. We do have some decent parks around here. And if you have a pet, it's great to bring your dog along, it's great to bring your kids along. And there's like a lot of space around here as well. So I'm just gonna give a last view. All right, thanks for walking with me. Bye guys.